In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix please use x.com or official X app to proceed with login or sign up on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, most likely if you are getting this error, it might imply two things. One, you are trying to log into X on your mobile using a browser, and that is interfering with your user experience. For that, you'll need to download X app from Google Play Store or App Store to use it. Alternatively, it might be that you have your X app but you are using an outdated or an older version of Android. For that, you'll need to try to update your system to see if this fixes your problem. However, if that does not fix, or if that's not the issue, then you want to try and troubleshoot your X app to fix this. To do that, just go to settings and then go to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps, and from here look for X, tap on it to open, then go to force stop and OK, and then go to clear data and clear cache, and finally OK. Finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and you want to ensure that you are not using any VPN app or any recently installed security app on your phone. However, if that still fails and you can't log in, then go to Google Play Store app and see if we have any update for your X app, search for it and update your app to the latest version. However, if all this fails and you are using an older version of Android, then most likely you might need to replace your gadget or use the latest version of Android or iOS to be able to use your X app. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.